Hey folks, it's yours truly at it again on vacay here in Cayo Yermo, located in Cuba. So while I capitalize on my vacays, I bring you another volume of beachwear sessions. I call these ones beachwear sessions. Why? Well, life's beachy and I like wearing these shirts made by yours truly. So sit back, relax, enjoy yourself as I take you on a little journey for Beachwear Sessions Volume 3. Here we go. On vacay, you want to have yourself a nice little mini cohiba.
Lotus blossom don't cry without any sun. 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 Lotus blossom don't cry. So happy.
That's it for Beachwear Sessions, Volume 3. Just a little sample, giving you some beach vibes from wherever you're at. So, thank you for watching these Beachwear Sessions. Thank you for watching these sunrise sessions. Those are the fun ones. And yeah, if you like what you hear, please like, share, subscribe, and follow me on this journey. Just remember, life's a beach, and life's beachy only if you make it. So, enjoy your day and enjoy your life. Ciao for now.